Hi friends, welcome to Spiritual Motivation. As per ancient Hindu Ayurvedam, every person who do these three following things, he don't have to approach any doctor throughout his life. So let us understand what are those three things which will keep us healthy throughout the life without consulting the doctor. Number one, any person who eat food, who intake any meal after stomach getting empty. It means, my friends, as per ancient Hindu Ayurvedam, once you have meal, the second meal should be only after your stomach getting empty. Till then, you should not have second meal, otherwise you will fall sick. When there is indigestive food within your stomach, if you add food to it again, this will lead to severe indigestive and gastric issues and acidity issues. This will cause illness to your body. Number two, any person who takes walk after every night meal. Every night after your dinner or supper, take 30 minutes of walk. When you take a walk, this will produce lot of heat within your body, mainly within your stomach. Taking a walk in the night before sleep will help you for your digestive system. This will produce heat within your digestive system, my friends. Number three, sleeping position. Your sleeping position in the night will decide your health. Please understand, your digestive system is dependent on your sleeping position in the night. As per ancient Hindu Ayurvedam, every person has to sleep by turning to his left side on the bed. What happens when you turn left and sleep? Let us understand, my friends. When you are turning left side, your right nose will be on top. Your right nose will be upwards. This will keep your right nose active, open throughout the night. The right nostril is called Surya Nadi. It means when you are intaking the breath predominantly through your Surya Nadi, this will produce a lot of heat within your body in the night. This heat will help you to digest your food completely, because during the night time, the body will not have any exercise, the body will not have any movement. You will be just lying on the bed. So, body needs some heat to digest the food. That is why this Surya Nadi will help you in digesting the food by producing the heat within your body. So, always do these three things what has been stated and mentioned in ancient Hindu Ayurvedam. These three things will keep you away from the doctor throughout your life. Thank you. Namaste.